Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading you a poem called Breaking Free from the Spider's Web from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Breaking free from the spider's web, stuck in a spider's web, surrounded by the sticky silk. Though I push and strain away, the sticky silk forcibly remains. The world is in my forefront view. Behind remains the sticky silk. My arms and legs stuck on it. Another pull, another strain. I know the Creator will come through like always. As I seek myself through His loving eyes, there's nothing I cannot do from this dwelling place of divine. There's always the forefront view, and the next step will land me there, next to Him, to another world free from silk. The enemies and monsters remain in the rear view web. As I break free of the sticky web, and I pull through to the front again. What was once a fear is now a gift, as I dwell with the monsters in my bed, fearless and laughing at the horror I gave them. Today, the price seems fair to discover myself through the despicable web. Sometimes you lose yourself to find yourself once again, an unending journey to fine-tune our gifts until our mission is complete and our destiny fulfilled. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things you're grateful for. So if you're able, please close your eyes. Think of those things right now. I am grateful for my family doctor. I am grateful for my wife. And I'm grateful for my pets. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.